Guys, we're back in another video, this time to show you a roller bag from Stanley. This is what the bag looks like in real life. Much smaller than the last bag I reviewed, but bigger than the Stanley 26-inch tool bag. And I think this is going to be perfect for me. Liking it already. The dimensions of the bag are 50 centimeters by 36 centimeters by 41 centimeters. Again, the main feature of this bag, of course, is that it's a roller bag, and the wheels are really chunky. I think the wheels are actually chunkier on this, so this should be easier to carry than the DeWalt. Again, unfortunately, the bottom is not solid. It's hard, but it's not as solid as it could be, and it doesn't look like it's waterproof, so not very happy about that. Just to show you what I'm talking about, so this is the Stanley FatMax, and that is, it's solid plastic. I mean, the other thing feels like it's something else. Don't know what it is, but there you go. Right, round the outside, you've got zipped pockets here. I like this one. And then it's got some smaller pockets inside, another zipped pocket here for your wallet maybe. So wallet, keys, phone maybe, and then you've got, as I mentioned, you've got a pocket for your Coke can on this side, and another one on the other side. Inside the bag, so double zip. You have got all these sleeves here for your tools, some more on this side, and then some more on this side. So nice and simple, this bag. I think it's the size that does it for me. I think it's just the right size for me. The other bag was huge. The other bag might be perfect for other people, but I like this bag. This bag was actually about fine. I just couldn't fit every single one of my tool in there, but this seems to be a bit bigger. But the key point is this is a roller bag, so I can wheel it across long distances with all my tools inside in comfort. I'm going to actually transfer all my tools from this into here, and I'll show you what that's like in a second. So here's a look at the bag, what I can fit inside it. As you can see, that was shut quite nicely. I've managed to get in there my belt strap, my tool belt, whatever you call it, knee pads, cordless, an impact driver, a couple of batteries, and then screwdrivers, drills, rubber hammer, metal one, and there's still some space. I could get a nail gun, that's probably the only other thing. Oh, some clamps, maybe a right angle square, which should all fit in. So I think for me this is absolutely perfect. The only thing I don't like is just okay, yeah, I suppose that could work as a holster. Yeah, there's no real holsters or anything to secure power tools in, but otherwise, yeah, there you have it. The bag itself weighs 5 kilograms, just like the other one does. I think it's all down to the trolley system. In order to make one that's strong, you gotta make the bag heavy, basically. Yeah, there you go. That's the video. Hope you found that useful as well. Once again, brought to you by We Fit All. We're a furniture installation, TV mounting and general handyman services company based in Dagenham, East London. If you have a need for any of these services, or you know somebody that does, please don't hesitate to recommend us. And yeah, thank you very much.